All right, what is up, guys? As you can see by the title and thumbnail, this hood right here will no longer be a thing. If we don't know, this might still be a thing, might not still be a thing, but right now we are about to take this hood off of my car. Why? Because why not? But we have these two clips right here that I need to get out. We have D1 and 2, and then stuff down there, stuff right there, and then we're also going to take these out so we can have the whole hood removed. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. Like loosen right here, down here, and now you just want to push these like. Yeah, that was kind of aggressive, but yeah. But you just pop them out like that, and then these are just. Hood is coming off. Hold on. 2 seconds. On a 3.
It's not even heavy.
Watch out for the camera.
Like how? So you're gonna drive like this?
Alright, y'all. We got the hood off, and that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna strap the things down, and then we're gonna do more. We have more to do, but just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we are unscrewing the latches off the hood now.
but did that side click?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so
I think it needs to come forward a little bit. Forward and over to the right.
forward and over to the right.
Yeah, because look at this body line. Here's that one.
Or, I mean, the whole thing can slide forward a little bit.
Yeah, I agree on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's slide it
And
forward. It's sitting up a little bit higher than my
Yeah, so we'll adjust these. I'll do one more
That's
thread.
about how much that side is supposed to sit on.
Yeah,
That's
so
how it did on mine.
we'll tighten these both down. We'll tighten these both
What do you
down.
mean?
No, I like how this part look. This side looks like it's sitting down lower, right? This side, all right, y'all, the carbon hood is on. I have not closed it yet, so I don't know what it looks like, but I think it's gonna look good with the hood. I don't know, maybe, but this is it. I gotta switch out the emblem, but overall, hold on, that shit looks kind of crazy. So I guess after we tighten the hood down more and everything like lines up and we get the body lines to look good, we'll show you the finished product.